guys, Dan here, and in this video I will show you how you can save money by doing what the dealers do. I've got a couple examples over here. I got one which is a display from a Mercedes dealer, and funny story in that one. I actually will show you or explain more on that. Here's a Subaru ECU, a Nissan, and of course a Mercedes. And in this video I'll show you how they save money and other rebuilders are saving money by doing this. Now, what they do actually is reuse used parts. Yes, you heard me right. When you go to a dealer, a lot of times they will tell you, hey, we cannot rewrite used, let's say, ECU or a used, let's say, airbag computer or a speedometer in this case. And they are correct. For instance, this is a Mercedes cluster, and they cannot rewrite miles or VIN on it or anything. And the funny story on this thing is, let me power it up, and all right, power it up, and get the lights off. If you can see a 2015 Mercedes with 973,000 miles, I don't think so. No offense, but you probably go through 10 of those before you will be replacing a cluster. The story with this one is actually pretty funny. I got a Mercedes dealer that shipped me this cluster, and it is a brand new cluster. These displays go bad, and they replaced a brand new freaking cluster, and their tech actually messed it up by entering a one more digit than it needs to be at. And in this point, like they said, or like you heard, they cannot rewrite used parts. And of course, instead of paying $3,400 for another one, they decided to ship it out to us and get this thing reprogrammed to the correct miles. Now, if you actually look on my screen over here in my laptop, I actually Googled these part numbers, and you can see you can get a used one for 679 bucks. I mean, it's about 200 bucks for us to reprogram it, and down the road 850 bucks and you're golden. Now, right here, 679. Now, if you buy a brand new one, now if you look at it, this thing, MSRP, this is what the dealer price is, 4,120 bucks. This is already with the discount, dealer discount, $3,000. So, do you really think dealers gonna buy a brand new one for $4,000 just because their tech messed up on the programming? I don't think so. So that's how they save money. And a lot of times, actually, this Mercedes example, this is a used 03 Mercedes ECU, and these parts are not available from a dealer for them to rewrite. So also, they cannot reprogram it. What they do is ship it out. We get the key information, the VIN number from the original ECU, and program it to a good known donor ECU. So now, as you can see, moving along, this is a Subaru dealer. And of course, same part number, H2. So they cannot get the VIN number from original and program it into a good donor ECU. So what they do, ship it out, and of course we do reprogramming it. So let's just show you an example on that Subaru ECU. It's not too expensive. If you Google it, I mean, you can get one for 100 bucks on eBay right here, and we can do the reprogramming. Now, if you're a dealer, it's $825 or $821, $726 actually. It's with a discount, so it's like 820 bucks then plus programming. So used option is always cheaper. Now, what a lot of rebuilders do, that's how they make their money, is by buying cars with electrical damage or whatever. And the way they make money is reprogramming electrical parts. Yes, you can save from thousands of dollars to hundreds of dollars, depending on the parts. So like this guy right here is 500 bucks, and obviously it's 50 bucks for us to reset it if it was in a crash. So that's how rebuilders save money. And some dealers, what they do, buy flood vehicles, electrical damage vehicles, and they can just ship out the computers and reprogram for a fraction of a price or for a fraction of the cost and make the big bucks. Now, if you made it this far and you do know a Mercedes with 973,000 miles on, hit that like button and subscribe if it's your first time. Otherwise, if you save big bucks on doing electrical work, having reprogrammed somewhere else or with us, comment below how much money you saved and what vehicle was that on. Otherwise, thanks for watching.